Hello, today we shall discuss chapter 7 of 10th class coordinate geometry. In this chapter we have discussed how we can find out the distance between two points in 2D. These are 2 points A and B. Coordinate of A are x1, y1 and coordinate of B are x2, y2. So how we can find out distance A to distance AB? Distance AB by using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can also write it x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now we do some example of this AB. We can take point 1, 4, B, we can take point 2 and 5. How we can find out the distance AB? So distance AB equal, this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2, this is y2. So how we can do it? x2 कितना है 2 और माइनस x1 कितना है 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 कितना है 5 और y1 कितना है -4 होल स्क्वायर. तो स्क्वायर रूट 2 minus 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 5 minus 4 1 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 plus 1 2. तो 2 unit means the distance between A and B is 2 unit. Now we can do some more example. Example number 2. How we can find out the distance between these 2 points? A, B, coordinate of A are A, B and coordinate of this is minus A, minus B. How we can find the distance between these 2 points A, B? So AB, distance AB. This is our x1, this is y1 and this is x2, this is y2. So how we can do it? Square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is equal to minus a minus of a. x1 is a plus y2 is minus b and y1 is our b whole square. Minus a we can get minus 2a whole square plus minus b we can get minus 2b whole square. So 2a whole square means 4a square plus 4b square. We can take common 4a square plus b square and square root of 4 is 2. So answer is 2 square root a square plus b square units. So distance between these 2 points A and B is 2 root a square plus b square. Now we can discuss how we can prove that the 3 points are collinear. How we can prove that the 3 points are collinear. So we can take 3 points A, point B and point C. So coordinate of points A are 1, 2, B are 3, 4 and C are 5, 6. So how we can prove that these 3 points are collinear? So we can find out the distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. So distance AB, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, फिर वो ये x1 y1 है, ये x2 y2 है, तो वो क्या है 3 minus 1 whole square means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means y2 है 4, y1 है 2, 4 minus 2 whole square, तो 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 2 square plus 4 minus 2 equal to 2, 2 square, 2 square equal to 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 equal to 8 and we can write it 4 into 2 square root of 4 equal to 2 root 2 unit means the distance between A and B is 2 root 2 unit. Now we can find out the distance BC. So here we have to find out the distance BC. Distance BC. So again we can apply distance formula. Now this is our x1 y1 x2 y2. तो distance formula apply करेंगे. x2 minus x1 whole square means 5 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 2 का square plus 6 minus 4 again equal to 2, 2 का square, 2 का square 4 plus 2 का square 4, 4 plus 4 कितना होगा 8. 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 4 into 2 square root of 4 equal to 2 root 2 unit. Now we shall find out distance AC. Distance AC. This is again we can find out by distance formula. We can apply between A and C. This is our x1, y1, x2 and y2. So we can write it x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 2 square. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4 का square plus 6 minus 2 again equal to 4 का square. 4 का square 16 plus 16. So we can write it 32. तो 32 को हम लिख सकते हैं 16 into 2 square root of 16 equal to 4 root 2 unit. Here we can see that now we shall prove that distance AC equal to AB plus BC. This we can now for collinear points we shall prove that AC equal to AB plus BC. If this condition is satisfied, then these 3 points are collinear. AC we can get 4 root 2, AB equal to 2 root 2 plus AC equal to 2 root 2. So 4 root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 4 root 2. So we can say that AC equal to AB plus, ये यहाँ पे आएगा आपका BC. We can prove that AC equal to AB plus BC. तो AC equal to 4 root 2, AB equal to 2 root 2 and BC again equal to 2 root 2. So we can get AC equal to AB plus BC. So we can say that points A, B and C are collinear. If this condition is